I will forever remember this time of my life. The rural school bus system and that drop-in center for all less fortunate. Those two things are near and dear to me. But the most important thing of my 6 years in this constituency is the relationship that I have built with the young and the not so young, men, women, and children. My name is called Ann Marie by the littlest of voices. When I move around in this parish, in this constituency, it's not an MP moving around. It's them auntie, them granny, them mother, them friend, them sister.